It's time to get my steak on. Hi, welcome to Cooking with Asher. I'm Asher. I have this beautiful Tomahawk steak from Chef's Catering Co. Look at this. This is a massive steak. How am I going to cook this? I know. I'm dry brining it with salt overnight, and I'll see you tomorrow. First, I'm going to confit the meat, and then I'm going to smoke it. So, what we're doing is we're going to fill a pan with regular olive oil and garlic and sun-dried tomatoes and thyme. And we're going to keep it at a very low temperature. It's important to taste it. If it's too garlicky, take some out. When the ingredients float to the top, the flavors have infused into the oil. Now we're putting the steak in the pan. We want to cook it to an internal temperature of 100 degrees. Yep, it's at 100 degrees now. Let's smoke it. We lit the green egg with charcoal and Jack Daniel's hickory wood. And now we're going to put the steak in. Look at that. Medium rare is about 140 degrees. So we got it up there, and now we're just letting it rest. Now, I know we got a little bit experimenty, but that's what makes Cooking with Asher fun. It's juicy, it's tender, it's smoky. Thanks, Chef's Catering Co. Happy Labor Day.